Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe PaymentSheet in Android, full guide step by step clearly. To install Stripe PaymentSheet in your Android project, start by opening your Android Studio. Ensure that you have your project set up and ready for modification. First, open the build.gradle file for your app module. Add the Stripe SDK dependency to the Dependencies section. You can do this by including implementation com.stripe or Stripe Android 20.0.0. Sync your project with the Gradle files to ensure the dependency is downloaded. Next, navigate to your Android manifest.xml file. Add the necessary permissions for internet access if they are not already present. Include the following line: uses permission Android name equals android.permission.internet/. Now, create a new layout file for your PaymentSheet UI. In this layout, you may want to include a button for the user to initiate the payment. Open your main activity file to start configuring the Stripe PaymentSheet. Initialize the Stripe instance by using your publishable key. You can find this key in your Stripe dashboard. Use Stripe equals new Stripe, get application context, your _publishable_ key. Next, implement the logic to create a payment intent on your server. This involves making an API call to your backend. Ensure that your server responds with a client's secret for the payment intent. Return to your main activity and retrieve the client's secret. Now, prepare for presenting the payment sheet by calling PaymentSheet configuration. Set up the payment sheet parameters, including your merchant details. This is crucial to handle the result after presenting the. Check the payment result and handle it accordingly. Test the payment sheet integration using test card numbers provided by Stripe. Monitor your logs for any errors or success messages during testing. Once everything is functioning correctly, you can customize the appearance of your payment sheet. You can do this by adjusting the styles in your layout file. Finally, review your code for any potential improvements or necessary error handling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.